Con number 2 is allergies. Welcome to the land of yellow snack. If you've never had allergies before, just wait. Greenville might introduce you to them. Springtime here is absolutely gorgeous, but there is one problem: pollen and lots of it. For a few weeks every spring, it looks like it's snowing yellow. Your car yellow, your porch is yellow, your dog, yellow. If it sits outside, it's getting a pollen makeover. Even lifelong residents feel it. Sneezing, watery eyes, and that constant, do I have a cold or is it just allergies? The whole debate. But don't worry, a good antihistamine and a car wash membership will get you through.